Are you looking to impress somebody with your cooking skills? This is that food. It's so colorful, beautiful, nutritious, and delicious at the same time. Let me show you how to make it. I'm going to start by cutting my plantain. You can use half ripe, you can use ripe. Either ways, both are good. I'm going to spice my meat with the basic things. I use chili pepper, salt, and seasoning cubes. That's all. I like to build flavor, and the best thing to build flavor with is onions. So I put a bit of salt in my oil and put some onions, then fry my plantain. That way you don't get boring plantains. Next up, I'm going to fry my meat in a little bit of oil. This is a lot for now, but I'm going to reduce it. I am a big fan of building flavor, so I'm going to add in garlic into my meat that I'm frying here. Next up, I am going to add my onions, but note that before I added my onions, I reduced my oil and kept it for something else. Here I'm going to add chili pepper. Not chili pepper, it's actually habanero pepper, the green, the yellow, and the red. So I took one of each and mortared it because it's too small. Then I'm going to add my green, red, and yellow pepper and my carrots. This is the fastest thing you can make for anybody, and the person is going to be impressed. I'm just gonna add my seasoning cube, salt, and stir. Please note that I use only 2 cubes in the course of making this food, one for the meat and one for the vegetable. Now I'm going to add in my fried meat, a bit of curry, not too much, and stir. At this stage, it is time to add my star ingredient, which is the plantain, into the mixture. So I'm just going to stir this properly. Guys, at this stage, you are done. Not too much serene. This is the food, looking colorful, vibrant, and pretty. Tell me who wouldn't be impressed with this kind of dish. At this point, I'm just going to serve. Look at this food coming together. The colors are just speaking vibrant. Look at the green, the red, the yellow, and the plantain, the meat. Imagine this in your stomach. It makes me happy when I remember making this video. It was really yummy. And some of you be like, I can't eat this with rice, I can't eat this with spaghetti. Guess what? You're right. You can actually pair it with other things, and you can also eat it alone. Spoil yourself this weekend, spoil yourself today, and tell me how you found the recipe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye bye for now.